If you're looking to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, you're probably on the hunt for a drone that can deliver exceptional image quality, smooth flight, and a host of features that make capturing stunning footage a breeze. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my hands-on experience with the DJI Air 3, a powerful drone that promises to deliver on all fronts. If you're interested in learning more about this drone and potentially picking one up for yourself, the link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 is its dual primary camera setup, which includes a medium tele lens and a wide-angle lens, giving you the flexibility to capture a wide range of shots and perspectives. This is especially useful when you're trying to get those epic landscape shots or when you need to zoom in on a subject from a distance. The drone also boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which provides an added layer of safety and confidence when flying, allowing you to focus on getting the shot rather than worrying about avoiding obstacles. In terms of image quality, the DJI Air 3 can capture stunning 48MP photos and record 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, which looks absolutely amazing. The footage is smooth and detailed, with rich colors and a high level of contrast. I've been using this drone to capture some really breathtaking footage, and I've been consistently impressed with the results. The drone also features a stable 04 HD transmission system, which ensures that your footage is transmitted smoothly and without any interruption. Another benefit of the DJI Air 3 is its compliance with FAA remote ID regulations, which is a must-have for anyone flying a drone in the US. This feature gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're flying legally and safely. The drone also has an enhanced safety feature, which allows you to fly confidently without worrying about obstacles or losing control. In my experience with the DJI Air 3, I've found that it's a really solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality drone. One of the pros is that it's really easy to use, even for beginners, and the footage it captures is top-notch. However, one of the cons is that the DJI Fly app can be a bit finicky at times, and it's not always compatible with every platform. Despite this, I've found that the benefits of the drone far outweigh the drawbacks. Overall, I've been really impressed with the DJI Air 3, and I think it's a great choice for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. If you're interested in learning more or picking one up for yourself, the link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out and see if it's the right fit for you.